Hi, I'm Steve Santoro with Lutron Electronics, and today we're going to show you how to adjust the light bar brightness on your Sunnata touch dimmer. To enter feature mode, first pull out the front accessible switch located below the dimmer. Note that this will turn off your lights. Next, hold down the off button, and while you're holding, push in the switch into the on position and continue to hold for 6 seconds until your light starts blinking. Then you can let go. You are now in select feature mode. To select the feature, in this case light bar brightness, touch the middle LED, which corresponds to the light bar brightness. To edit this feature, tap the off button, which brings you into adjust feature mode. The default is a medium brightness. Tap the lower LED for a low brightness, or the top LED for the highest brightness. Once you have set your setting, tap the off button to save it and return to select feature mode. To exit the feature mode, press and hold the off button for 6 seconds until your dimmer resumes normal operation. Now you can test it to make sure the setting you set is working. I hope this video has helped you. And for more tips and tricks, please visit lutron.com/Sunnata support.